Hello students, in this lecture all of you know about latitude and longitude. These both are imaginary line which draw on globe. Latitudes are imaginary circular line parallel to the equator running east-west around the globe, and longitudes are imaginary semicircular lines and it's join the North Pole and South Pole. Both line means latitude and longitudes also divides the globe into eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now let's read these topics in detail. A globe is a three-dimensional. That means we can determine length, breadth and height in short form 3D shape. Model of the earth. Earth is a sphere. That means our earth is like a ball. The globe is a sphere too, and this globe is also a sphere too. Earth rotates around its axis. It rotates on its axis. The globe also rotates at it is mounted on an axis, and this globe also rotates on the axis. The axis is an imaginary line. I also told you the imaginary line passing through the center of the earth on which it rotates from west to east. This imaginary line passes through the center of the earth. ये क्या है? अर्थ के पूरा सेंटर से जाती है and on which it rotates from west to east, and this globe rotates from west to east. There are two ends on which the globe rotates. On this globe there are two ends. That means दो यहाँ पे पोल होते हैं. One at the top and the other at the bottom. This is the top pole and this is the bottom. One at the top pole is called the North Pole and the other at the bottom is called the South Pole. This is called North Pole and this is called South Pole. The axis is not vertical. That means the axis is not straight but is tilted at an angle. That means move into a sloping position. यह क्या है? यह थोड़ी सी झुकी हुई है, तिरछी है. To know about the location of different places of the world, the geographers choose some lines to be drawn on the earth in east, west and north, south direction. That means for knowing the different places of the world, different places के बारे में जानने के लिए geographers क्या करते हैं? They draw some lines in the eastern and northern direction. That means some lines are go through east to west and some lines are go through north to south. ठीक, कुछ लाइंस क्या है यहाँ इस डायरेक्शन से वेस्ट डायरेक्शन की तरफ बनाई गई है और कुछ नॉर्थ पोल से साउथ पोल की तरफ खींची गई है. Then these lines are drawn on the globe, being the model of the earth. These lines are drawn on the globe. These lines form a pattern which is called a grid that cuts each other at right angle. This, if you can see here, if some lines are drawn from east to west, कुछ लाइन क्या है ईस्ट से हम वेस्ट की तरफ हम ड्रॉ करते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? एंड कुछ लाइंस को हम अगर नॉर्थ टू साउथ, this is called east, west, north and south. If these lines cut at a point, this place is called grid. इसे जहाँ पे ये एक राइट एंगल पे एक दूसरे को कट करती है, ठीक, तो एक यहाँ पे एक ग्रिड बनता है, एक बॉक्स बनता है जिसे हम ग्रिड कहते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ग्रिड. An imaginary line which goes round the earth at its equidistance from the poles is called the equator. This imaginary line which go from the middle of the earth, it is called equator. The equator is usually shown in a bold line on the globe. You can see here this equator line is shown on the bold line. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. This equator line divides our earth into टू इक्वल पार्ट. कितने? दो बराबर भागों में ये अर्थ को डिवाइड करती है. द पार्ट फ्रॉम इक्वेटर अप टू द नॉर्थ पोल इज नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द पार्ट फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर up to the south pole is the southern hemisphere. This part, you all of you know, east, west, north and south. This part, the upward part is, this part is called the northern hemisphere. All this part is called northern hemisphere and this part is called southern hemisphere. Now the next topic I will discuss on the next video.